morning everyone. My name is Palak Mishra. Respected principals, sir, teachers and all my dear friends. Today I am going to recite a poem. The title of the poem is Bird Talk. The writer of the poem is Alan Fisher. Things said the robin, things said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about the people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Things said the robin, things said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Thank you.